Do you or a loved one have trouble waking up to an alarm clock? Ugh, so boring. Just so annoying. Well, have I got the thing for you.
The Party Alarm Clock.
Party Alarm Clock is the only alarm clock light show that has a subwoofer built into it. The shaking of the beat, bass, and lights will wake you up for sure. Upload your favorite music tracks and select from 3 different light modes. Every time you wake up, it's like a party. Maybe even the party you had last night. That's probably why you're so hungover and can't wake up, huh? The Party Alarm Clock is only $29.99. Shipping and handling not included. Every morning is like a party with the Party Alarm Clock. So buy it now. Shipping rates may apply. That includes international shipping rates, so it might be expensive. Now, I gotta go. This was a rental, and so was this.